The FluoroCheck 2 is a benchtop transportable fluorescence monitor for measuring the ppm concentrations of oil and water with a simple and direct approach to sample preparation. There are 3 measurement methods available. A straight water sample will screen a sample for possible hydrocarbon presence. A streamed water sample will enhance the straight water test to provide more accurate results. By streaming a larger composite sample, it can provide a greater representation of your process conditions. As the sample streams through the FluoroCheck, multiple readings are taken and an average of the results is presented. And third, a solvent extraction procedure provides optimal readings using a procedure similar to EPA 1664 and ISO 9377-2 methods. First, obtain a 100 milliliter sample of water to be tested. The jar has measuring indications for this. Add 10 milliliters of solvent using the dispenser. This eliminates the need to measure and pour solvents. Replace the lid. Using the timer, shake for 2 minutes. Let the sample stand for 2 more minutes for the solvent to separate. Then pipette off some of the solvent sample from the middle of the solvent layer. Fill the cuvette to 3/4 full. Accurate measurement is not required. Place the cuvette in the cuvette holder and then place in the measuring well. Close the lid. Within a few seconds, a reading will be displayed. The unit operates on a 12-volt DC input, so it can be used with a battery or vehicle power source if required. However, for most site applications, the supplied AC transformer will be used. The 4-line backlit display provides the ppm reading and other diagnostic and setup information. In fact, the ppm sample reading screen is active all the time, so the operator does not need to push any buttons for readings throughout the day. A routine 0 is recommended to optimize accuracy. A blank sample is simply put in the unit and the 0 button is pushed. The rest is done automatically. In the sample well, you will find reference standards and a cuvette holder. Reference standard A is used for crude oil applications, and reference standard B is used for refined oil applications. These are assigned a ppm value that is specific to your site application and can be used at any time to check your unit's calibration. The cuvette holder is only used if you are using disposable microcert cuvettes for crude oil applications. For refined oil applications, a disposable cuvette is inserted directly into the sample well. After the sample is taken, the cuvette can be discarded. This eliminates cleaning and cross-contamination issues. Be sure to use ARJAY recommended cuvettes because the cuvette materials are selected according to their optical wavelength characteristics. A FluoroCheck grab-and-go kit is recommended. This will include a sample jar, solvent dispenser, countdown timer, disposable pipettes, microcerts, cuvettes, a reference standard A, reference standard B, cuvette holder, and the base unit with AC power cord. All of this will be provided in a waterproof transit case. With these accessories in hand, sample preparation is easy and fast. An RS-232 port is provided on all instruments to download the information and your readings to a computer or printer for record keeping. The unique LED light cluster can be set to varying power strengths to optimize the fluorescence response of different oils. The unit will automatically turn off the LED source if there is an extended periods of no activity. Since different oils can fluoresce at different intensities and peaks, the FluoroCheck allows up to 10 different calibrations to be stored in its memory. In addition to each calibration, each can accept up to 5 calibration points to increase accuracy even further. The FluoroCheck arrives with 4 factory calibrations installed to get you ready and started. All the features designed into ARJAY's FluoroCheck have been included as a standard to make oil and water testing at your site fast, easy, and safe.